Jimmy, come. Jimmy, come, 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 come. How are you? Hello, viewers. Cameraman, please come closer so that I talk with my followers. Hello, viewers. I'm that your friend, Father Michael Obudu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about farming. Today, we shall be talking about the importance of having security in your pig farming. Your pig farm, I mean to say. Security is very, very important in farming and generally, because if you don't take your security seriously, your investment will just go down the drain. Uh, there are different forms of beefing security in your farm. The first of them is the human security, of which is very, very important. The second one of them is actually having cameras in your farm for those who can afford it. And the third of them is what I'm having here, which is dog security. And this is one of the best I recommend every farm to have. Like you can see here in my compound, you can see my big dog and the puppies, they are coming up. All of them are being trained for their mission, and the bigger ones, they know their mission, which is actually guiding the farm. And the let me stand up so that you can hear me clearly. And the younger ones, which are the puppies, we're already training them to know their duty, to take care of the animals, and also to protect them from intruders, most especially wild animals, human beings, and other things that can cause threats to them. And that is why you, as a farmer, having security, either human security, having cameras in your farm, or the best form is having security dogs in your farm to protect your animal, because farming and security is very, very important. If not, you might lose all your investment. And today I'm here just to discuss about the importance of having security in your farm. And the best of them is having dogs in your farm. And when you have this dog as security, you will also be using them also to do business. For example, now we have Jimmy in our farm, and our Jimmy has given birth to, look at the puppies, beautiful puppies. You know, you can look at them. Come here, come here. Some of them there, look at them. You can see if you want to sell, people are already coming to ask if we are selling this. And you can see that now that you are now making double profit. And that is why I continue to tell you that dog security is still one of the best in your farm, because you don't pay them salary. What you do to them is just to give them their normal food, and they eat, they take care of the farm, they protect everywhere, and also the female give birth also, you can still sell them. Once more, I remain that your friend, Father Michael Obudu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about farming. Thank you, and God bless you.